Stony, Stella, what y'all doing, guys? Huh? Y'all playing? Huh, Stella, you playing? Stella, show Stony what we do over here. Huh? Show how to get the ball. Go get the ball, Stony. Oh, Stella got the stuffed animal. That's what you want? Huh? Y'all want a frisbee? Go get the frisbee. Stella, what you got, girl? What you got? What you got? Stony, you want one too, huh? Play chase. See who's gonna get it. Get it, Stony. Stony said, I'm not taking it from Stella. I don't want to get in the pool. You can get in the pool, Stony? No, you don't want to get in? Stella, you want the ball? Go get the ball. You gotta run faster than that, girl. Stony, why are you not picking up no animals? Now side by side, don't leave each other's side at all, that's for sure. Stony's gonna follow Stella everywhere. There she comes. There he comes. What you smell, huh? What you hear? What you hear, Stony? Ooh, Stella hears it too. That's a telephone. You hear the telephone, huh? He's so pretty. Oh, there they go. They heard Miss Mary come out. They're going fauna, they know. Tails wagging and everything.